guys. And I took a certificate program in advanced drug safety and pharmacovigilance. And I landed up as a senior PV specialist. And while I was in the job, I took some time and I immediately approached Abhishek and I said, like, we were in training for first 3 months, so I had time. So I approached for certificate program in risk management, signal management, and aggregate reporting. He welcomed me. I took the course. As Abhishek was discussing, it took nearly 6 months for me to complete my course because it's very vast. And I agree with Abhishek that each module took at least 2 months to complete. So yeah, that's about it. And I would say it's very self-explanatory. The courses, and you have to get into the concepts. And I think after completing my course, I was applying for medical reviewer job. I would say it was not that easy. It took at least 6 months to land in this job. So yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me. Or
Subhashini, main thing. I always think we forget the main thing. What is your education? Where did you do your education?
yeah, my background is I'm a physician.
Okay, where did you do your medicine?
I did my medicine in India.
Which medical school?
From Karnataka University, Dharwad.
Dharwad. Okay.
Mhm.
I guess. Any questions for Subhashini? You guys are...
Congratulations, Subhashini. Congratulations. So,
Oh,
I
thank
guess
you.
my question is, if you can just give some of the questions that you got in the interview, will be great. Thank you.
Yeah. Basically, the questions they asked me is very simple. They were asking me if I had done PBRER, if I had worked on PBRER, or they were asking about PSUR because we were working on EMA. Earlier, my workplace where I was working, it was we were working closely with EMA. So I did say that I had experience in looking into the PBRER documents, but not the PADER. But my job, I think mostly it's going to be PADER, but still they were okay. They considered me. So all I could say is they would ask about the process. They wouldn't get into nitty-gritties. All they want is the process. Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. You should know about the process. As Abhishek said, like, look, get into the modules. I know it's very vast, but still get into the modules, know the process. I mean, they wouldn't ask much. They would just work on the description, the job description, what they have given. If you are well versed with the job description, if you work with the job description, I think it pretty much takes care. Even in this job, I took Abhishek's help. I called him many times. I had my panel interview. He really helped me going through the job description. So after you complete the course, when you land in the job, all you have to do is you have to ping Abhishek, you have to bother him. So you should keep on asking him questions. He's very, very helpful, guys. And the modules are very, very helpful. Just listen to whatever Abhishek says. Each and every line, there is something, like which is very useful. That's all I can say. Like all the modules are very, very helpful. Just know the process. That's it. You don't have to go too deep. As Abhishek said, you wouldn't be writing the aggregate reporting. I mean, I did work a little bit in my old workplace. I was working on the aggregate reporting. So we wouldn't write it. We would just review it. Mostly we would review it. So there are people who does aggregate reporting, who write the aggregate reports. But as a physician, you wouldn't be doing it. You would just be reviewing it. So
Awesome.
Mhm.
All right, guys. Thank you
So
so much.
I have one quick question. Do you do you work as like a medical safety lead or like a medical monitor now?
Medical safety specialist, come reviewer.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All good. Thank you, Subhashini.
Thank you, Abhishek. Good luck.